Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check all the connected devices to your TP-Link TL-MR router Wi-Fi network. You need to download and open Tether app on your smartphone from the Google Play Store or App Store, and you need to be connected to the TP-Link router Wi-Fi network, of course, and then open the app and you should see the screen like that, home screen, and then tap on the clients, and there you can see all the devices currently connected to your router Wi-Fi network. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.